Kavinda utalo munene wa enenthi maendee kukaya Muno kumana na wambatu wa Ngalama ya Mikalile. President William Ruto niweetikilana na ukayo usu indi aweta silikali yake nitatite undu vatonyeka kuikiithya Ngalama ya Mikalile niyatheea. Ainene ya mbunge ninene Kavinda kala ukuma sia uneni wake kwa nthi Ruto ni wakathia itambia ya silikali yake kutheesya thoa wa mbolea nikena kusiaithya liu mwingi na kuokitana na nza kwa mauvombe yange. Tukwatiani na mwandiki wetu wa mauvo Benmark Musau.
While we may not be where we would like to be, we are certainly not where we were 2.25 years ago.
Thini wa uneni wake kwinthi President William Ruto juu ya siaka na unetha nthi ya Kenya ndi vala ile kwitha yi ndi vala ya miaka ili na mira tumivituku aiwera ta wosele ile utongo yivindane yomo Ngalama ya Mikalile Yiulu kwa mwene nthi.
It is undeniable that for many Kenyans, times are hard and the struggle to meet their daily basic needs remains daunting. It is also true that these conditions have persisted for a number of years now, leading to much frustration and anxiety. Although we have gone a long way to mitigate some of these difficulties, much remains to be done, though we have laid a firm foundation for decisive intervention. I believe that it is critical for us to bear in mind that this administration was inaugurated at an extremely difficult time, characterized by domestic challenges, compounded by regional and global security, geopolitical, financial, as well as climate dynamics. As a result, in 2022, the country's total debt burden was not only immense, but it was also stacked up in the most burdensome manner.
Ona uwe ovo President Ruto weta lato wa silingi ya Kenya tawende na kwa ila uisiani wena ndola ya Amerika. Kuma silingi ya naimwa ya miongo dhandatu na ile kwe mwaine wa kele mwaka wa ngilili ya miongo ili na ina nginya silingi ya naimwa miongo ili na kenda kwe omundi. Mathoa masindo ila itumika kila muthenyani matheete kuma kilungu chake na katono dhandatu yulwa yana kwe mwaine wa kenda mwakani wa ngilili ya miongo ili na ile nginya kilungu cha ile katono mwanza yulwa yana kwe mwaine we kumi ila neyo ya ndevyo dhini wa miaka 11.
Today I'm proud to report that the macroeconomic indicators point to a positive turnaround and an upward trajectory. Allow me to highlight a few milestones that underscore this progress. The shilling has stabilized significantly, appreciating from Kenya shillings 162 to the dollar in February 2024 to Kenya shillings 129 today, a remarkable gain of 20%. This recovery has restored confidence in our financial markets and significantly reduced the cost of servicing external debt, creating fiscal space for our development imperatives. Inflation has declined dramatically from 9.6% in September 2022 to 2.7% in October this year, the lowest rate in 17 years.
Ruto weta undoyo umanita na kukwata mbauwa emindhini wa usiaidhi wa liu kwisila mbolea dhawa monini vandu va kuola utomei.
Our efforts to secure food security and stability are already bearing fruit. Since February, we have distributed subsidized fertilizer to 6.45 million registered farmers in 45 counties, enabling them to increase their yields. And this year, we have procured and through e-vouchers distributed 7 million bags of both planting and top dressing fertilizer to boost food production across the country. This intervention will see a projected increase in maize production, for example, to a record 74 million 90 kilogram bags. Today, Kenya boasts substantial national stocks. 47 million bags of 90 kilogram bags of maize are in our stores. 8.8 million bags of beans, 10.4 million bags of wheat, and 2.1 million bags of rice. Slowly but surely, we are building a food secure Kenya where families need not to worry or worry less about their next meal.
Vilingi wa Mauvo Mutongoi TV, nyenita wa Ben Mosau.